Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be explaining to you guys how you can report a TikTok shop, either report a problem or report a scam and a certain problem of that nature. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, to report a problem, you can just go to this website where you can go to www.tiktok.com/legal/report/feedback, and you will be brought to this form. Once you are here, you will be able to select what you want to report, either through a topic, and then enter your email address, your username, account details, or additional details for the problem, and so on and so forth, as well as images which can better describe the problem. Then you can submit and you confirm these following statements. Once you do, and your problem will be looked at by support. Now, scams are a different problem, and you can also report them. There are a lot of several types of scams, such as job scams, phishing, loan scams, and so on and so forth. Pretty much the old Nigerian prince scams. They're active still on TikTok as well. And yet, to report scams on TikTok, you need to go follow these instructions, which, let me just zoom in and wait for the GIF to play again. But yeah, pretty much you just go into the three dots under frauds and scams, or wait. But yeah, you can report the scam just as any other scam in the world, or on any other social media platform such as Instagram. Go into the three dots menu and then just go report. You can report a scam under frauds and scams, or you can report the account for any other sort of infraction of TikTok's rules. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.